Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, please let's review this hake fish together. But please, I beg you, watch this video to the end, okay, so that you understand my point. Okay, all right, let's go.
This one they okay, they do. I no understand. Wait, I no understand this kind of fish. What I go buy for next cash and carry. See as fish they suck water like foam.
Even if
Even if as you press and see them, this thing just be like chaff. Which kind of fish be this? They say now stock fish. Where that receipt safe? Oh, carry come back.
Is there on top of that butter?
See as they squeeze fish, you go just bounce back like foam where you squeeze water come out. See as I press and reach. Open hand, fish see that's in there. Next cash and carry Port Harcourt. I don't know to na say give me say na fish. See as in see am. E just they do like foam, like rubber. See am now. It just be like fiber. I just go waste this money. How much I buy this fish? I think 1,700 something. Hey God. And now because of this wait that one safe. Now because of this mackerel fish carry me go there. At least say make I go buy the original one. I thought I would get the original one there. Because for public markets now, this mackerel fish don't reach like 3 types safe. So you don't know which one be which. Now everything carry me go next. So I said okay, ma kuku buy this stockfish there. Fresh stockfish. See him. I don't know say na rubber. Oh Jesus Christ. I think all these fish don't overstay, they don't expire because they there for freezer there. Where constant light day 247. They feed there 3 years. You no go know because you cannot say how long these fish have stayed there. Where the thank God. See the
Price.
See the price tag. You see I said it. See You see 1,743 naira. Thank God, sir, I never remove them. You see the barcode here. I bought this thing just yesterday. And the expiry date where they put here now waiting. Okay, they not put expiry date. I don't know those codes then where they put there. You see them?
Oh yeah. Small time now you go send me to the drop from my
You see them? The next thing, if you carry this thing go public now, they go deny. They deny, say no be from their shop you buy them. Thank God the receipt still there in my hand, sir. Today now waiting. 28th of August. I still get the receipt. You see them? I bought it on the 27th. That was yesterday. Today is 28th. Now they wash fish. See what they discover. Rubber. I've been a child. In fact, this one a child fiber. See them? May God save person.
Okay guys, so like I said from the beginning that you should watch this video to the end, please. It's just so that you understand better what I'm trying to say, the point I'm trying to make. Okay, first is, yeah, normally hake fish doesn't have that much taste on its own. Okay, that's hake fish for you, and in Nigeria we call it fresh stock fish. You understand? So when you hear someone say I bought fresh stock fish, like you hear me say from the beginning, it's just hake fish. So yeah, it doesn't have much taste on its own. So you have to spice it. You have to give it the taste you want. That's one thing with hake fish. And another thing is, after spicing it the way you want, fry it. It's better fried, to be honest with you. After frying, it comes out nice. Hake fish is always very looking nice and presentable. When you serve it with your dish, it looks nice. That's one side of it. So, and another thing I want to say is, unlike me, I don't know why I didn't check the expiry date. I didn't look out for that. That's unlike me. Or anything I buy, especially this sealed, anything that has label, I always check the expiry date of what I'm buying. But in this case, and as you saw from that label, there's no expiry date. You could see the price, you could see the other numbers there, which I think only the shop understands what those numbers stand for. But there's no expiry. You could see the make. It says make USA. So nothing else, nothing like expiry date. So that's the point I'm trying to make. Nobody knows how long this fish has stayed in their freezer, but it's supposed to have expiry date. Okay. Yeah. Looking at this fish, there's no way I'm going to believe that this fish is good for consumption. I'm telling you, because this is not the first, second, third, fourth, or fifth time I'm buying hake fish or I'm eating hake fish. It's not like this. This one, something is definitely wrong. But like I said, since I can't find the expiry date, for me, I can't eat this. This is not good for consumption. It's not good for me. Okay? So that's just the point I'm trying to make. Always look out for expiry dates. Okay? So I hope with that, I've said all I want to say in this video. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one, guys. Thank you. Bye.